Okay, we are just going to look briefly at your back office. So when you log in, you'll see some banner information over here. You can toggle through it. That's just like the sales and the updates. Over here, this is going to be you right here. This is going to be the highest rank you have ever achieved. And then over here, this is going to be the current rank that you're at. Down here, this is nice. It gives you heads up and reminders about orders that are coming up from your VIP customers. This tracker we'll go over in another video, but it basically lets you see which rank you're at and then what you need to do to achieve the next rank. If you scroll down, this is kind of a months past history. And then just other information here. If you ever need customer service help, right down here is where you're going to look for that. Or you can use the live chat button, which I actually have a lot of luck with as well. When you start getting teammates, you'll be able to see them down here and monitor their progress and see how they're doing. But the important things that you're going to need right away at the beginning is up here under Resources, Market Partner Academy. This is going to be your boot camp to kind of get you started with all things Monat to help get you just acclimated. So you can start training now, or if you look down here, this will have just your tracking information here. So start training now, and you want to do start here, the foundations course, and it'll mark it off once you've got the different things complete with that. So you'll want to get this one done first, and it gives you a little bit of time that it takes you to complete that course as well. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different videos that go along with it. Don't feel like you have to sit and watch them at all the same time. I usually would put them on in the background while I'm doing laundry or cooking dinner and kind of get through them that way. So once you get done with the foundations course, then there's other supplemental things as well, just to kind of help you. You don't necessarily have to get them all done. Like you can see, I haven't done the wellness training yet, but these are all just tools for you to access. So back to your Monat website then. Under Resource Library, that's really important as well. These are all the how-tos, the frequently asked questions, product information sheets. So if I want to learn about wellness, I can type wellness in here, and then it brings me to the wellness folder. And then I've got information on all of the different wellness products. So you can click that link there, and it gives you the benefits, the how to use, the ingredients, and just a little more detailed information than the shopping website does. Let's see here, take a look. Other reports that you'll find useful is this customer detail order report, so you can see what customers have ordered. The birthday report is also useful once you start getting more VIPs, but really the most important thing for you right now is this Market Partner Academy. The beauty quiz, this is where people will take your beauty quiz, and this will go, oh yeah, your email, I want to show you that. If you go under Tools and go down to Email, this is where anybody that takes that hair and beauty quiz will show up in here, and you can click on that and it'll say, thank you, Tori's results are in, and then these are her quiz answers, and then these were the suggested products that it suggested for her. Always consult the quiz and use it as a tool. The tool is not necessarily the be-all, end-all. So I like to read over her answers, then see what the quiz suggests and decide if the quiz suggests the best products or if I think she should try something else. And if you're not sure how to do this, definitely talk to the Team Fearless chat. We're all about helping you that way. So I think those are the most important things. Obviously, to shop, you go under My Shop. Most important tools for you to know right off the bat.